What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders, college graduates, entrepreneurs, hustlers, anybody trying to make something out of nothing. Listen, I wanted to let y'all know that you need to be careful if you're looking to buy into any call options or put options based on these algorithms and how it's set up. It's something funny going on within these brokerages. I just peeped my account go down $30. Well, this particular call option that I wanted to see what would happen, So I ended up buying a call option for GME. It was around $37. And once it started going up, I started, accumulating a couple dollars in there, dollar, two, three. It reached about $80. All right. Drop down. Now, understand the constant fluctuations will cause the premiums to, go down, depending on how the stock is fluctuating. But as you can see, GameStop is at 137.58 and I'm down $29. Now, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm not paying attention to something, or I could be wrong, but I should either be even or down like $5, maybe 10, but almost 30, nah, so I want y'all to be careful, man. From now on, I'm just buying shares. I might go long with some call options when GameStop splits, especially if it drops down to $40. I mean, because we know it's going, to reach at least 70. So if it does, I think it could reach, $40 in my opinion. I mean, if you look at last year's drop, when GameStop had that huge drop, it came down to $33 a share, like I said before, in 2021 in February. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to drop to at least $40. And if so, I'm going to go ahead and load up. As you can see in this portfolio, I've been dumping shares of GameStop just so that I can have a better position, or I can be in a better position when it comes time to deploy when GameStop does this split. I figure in this portfolio with a 3-to-1 split, 4-to-1 split, we'll receive 3 shares to each one. So in this portfolio, I should still have over 100 shares after the split. I just don't want I've been selling off because I don't want my portfolio to take a huge dive if GameStop drops to $40, $50 a share and we don't see a move for a month or two. So I could just triple down on the shares and let's see what happens, man. When it comes to all this DRSing and everything that they're talking about, the dark pools, all this new language that we're hearing, in my opinion, is just to keep you engaged and keep you hostage and believing in diamond handing so that they can constantly keep trading it and make more money. And that's just my opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investing guru. I've just been in this play for almost 3 years now, and I've seen this happen several times with GameStop. And believe it or not, I do think that it will cause AMC to make a push. That's just my opinion, and when that does, it's because I think because of the drop, because of the split, AMC will come down. And if it drops to $9, $10, I believe most people that have an opportunity are going to just scoop it up. And I can see AMC shooting back up $30, $40 a share. So that's just my opinion. But when it comes to these call options, I advise y'all to pay attention. Don't get caught up in this, man. and really do your due diligence, man. Stop listening to these fake content creators that are, in my opinion, starting to read a whole bunch of new they're starting to speak like code and language that only they can understand between each other to keep, regurgitating the same things that we've already known. And with that being said, I just hope that you guys protect your portfolios, man, and don't lose any more 500% gains, 1,000% gains, 2,000% gains. Don't allow that to happen, while these people are out here making money off of your back, man. I'm telling you, because in my opinion, these new content creators that are talking about AMC and GME, that are accumulating all these viewers and subscribers, in my opinion, it's because of all the ones that disappeared last year because of what took place, and they didn't deliver based on the $10,000 a share and the $100,000 a share. So now they have a new dugout that they can tell you the same exact and talk about the technicals and this, that, and the third to have you believing that AMC is going to shoot to $10,000 a share. Now, like I said, I could see 100 or something, in my opinion. And that's not to say it can't go over 1,000, because it has been shorted to oblivion, just like a bunch of other stocks on the stock market. But that's not going to make me forget how these hedge funds, Adam Aaron, and a bunch of other one percenters left us holding the bag last year, and they just kept on talking that hope, believe in the MOASH, so you can constantly stay engaged in the play while your profits dwindle, So I just wanted to say that, man, be careful with these options, these algorithms, and these computer systems that they have running is some of the, most sophisticated tech on earth, So you gotta be careful, man, and make sure you do smart trading, man. And me personally, I'm gonna be buying shares from now on. So, I just wanted to bring that to y'all. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. And let me know how y'all feel, man, because like I said, on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily charts, man, it's looking real good. It's definitely looking like we're about to see something, a big push. But, in my opinion, I think it's going to be short-lived with AMC. And with GameStop, I think that's the real monster. Not to say that AMC isn't going to flourish in the future. I'm just saying everything that GameStop is doing behind closed doors, $2 billion in cash, no debt. They're like pretty much their own machine. I think, after doing a little bit more homework and coming to a little bit of information, some more information, it's just come to my attention that GameStop, man, the way that it's running, it doesn't need, Wall Street's help to keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's one of the major reasons why we don't see as much press about how good of a company GameStop is and the position that they're in and where Ryan Cohen and his team is taking this. So, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Be careful with those call options. I'm going to keep on loading up on these stocks. And when they do this split, man, if we go down $40 or lower, man, I'm going to get my Haagen-Dazs ice cream scoop out. The big spoon. Remember that spoon that your parents used to put in the living room? I mean, maybe that's just black parents, but, I'm going to get one of them out. I'm going to get the construction claw out, and go ahead and grab up as much shares as I can, because I know GameStop is going back over $100 a share. I'm out of here, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about all this nonsense.